We're at Gatwick. Yay!
We're off to Liam and Hannah's wedding, the McDermotts.
We're going to Jersey. That's what Tom probably should have said. Jersey for the wedding, which is fun. But we're going to go like Wednesday to Sunday as well. So we've got a few days to like look around. It's my first ever time. Tom's been quite a few times.
Yeah, going to check out the war tunnels, go bowling, go to the beach, go bowling.
Go to the beach.
Come join us. I'm jumping on the plane now.
Yeah!
Yay! Look out, it's middle seat.
Are you a snake?
We've made it on the bus. Got a room with a view. So we're going to try and go to Elizabeth Castle, I think is over that way maybe? First up on the list of things to do, the steam engine clock. Right. There it is. Yeah. There it is in all its glory. Alright, on to the castle.
Google Maps told us to go bloody a long way.
We ended up in a ferry port.
Yep, I went round it and we spent 40 minutes just walking.
Yay!
Nowhere near the castle.
We're getting our steps in.
Yeah.
So this is the bus that becomes a ferry when the water gets higher. Okay, so apparently you can walk all the way to Elizabeth Castle. You got to get the tide times right. So you're meant to go about 1 o'clock today. It changes each day, but it's about 2:33. So I'm hoping we're not pushing because by 6 this is 10 meters high with water apparently. So I'm like, ah. Welcome to the castle. Here we have these lovely cannons built a while ago by some guy. Over here we have another one, and at the end we have a third. Cozy.
Tom, are you the king of the castle?
I am king of the castle. I own this building.
We made it. Woohoo! I'm knackered now though. Let's get the bus back.
Yeah, the bus ferry. Water's completely taken over the bar. We found the bowling alley. It's completely empty. It's quite cool, we've got the whole thing for us. Oh, you got one! I've caught Raquel out. She gets ready for the shot. She lines up. It's on target. It's kind of on target. Yay! We're back and our hotel's in the sea now. That's crazy how high it goes now. So we just went to the Dicq restaurant. I think that's the right way to say it, Dicq. Yeah, it's this amazing Thai restaurant right on the beach. And we both got these really nice homemade spring rolls to start with. And then I got red Thai curry, you got yellow curry.
Yeah.
So good.
So tasty. And really nice view as well, like of the ocean and stuff like that.
Yeah.
And dog friendly, brilliant as well.
Yeah, we just watched dogs jumping into the sea the whole time.
Yeah. Morning! That's going to be far too loud to be like, morning!
Morning!
So it's day 2. So it's day 2 in lovely Jersey.
Yeah, it's day 2. We went to a beautiful Thai on the beach yesterday, but then we were absolutely shattered afterwards. So we just relaxed in the room and watched a movie with some snacks.
Got some snacks as well from Morrison's.
We did 25,000 steps yesterday. That was enough.
A lot. We're going to the war tunnels today.
Yeah, the Jersey war tunnels, where apparently Nazis built them when they took over.
We're going to see a toad.
Yeah, we're going to see a toad statue, not just a toad.
Statue. I wish it was alive.
I know. Maybe it will come alive.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
That'd be good.
See you in a bit. Just finished the Jersey tunnels.
Yeah.
They're really good fun. We're gonna try and find somewhere to eat now. Where should we go? What are you feeling? We really want Indian, but there's nowhere actually available till about 5:30. So, thinking maybe a buffet?
Maybe a buffet. We don't know. Well, we're just going to walk and see.
Yeah. There's a toad statue now.
Where?
It's down there, maybe. Well, we saw the toad.
Yeah, it was pretty. Yeah.
It was beautiful. We're now going to head to maybe the Good Egg Cafe, which is meant to be on the seafront. Went for the halloumi wrap, which is really tasty. Okay, what'd you get? Breakfast one. It looks good. We've got a whole pack of chips each, but we really didn't need that much. The coffee here is really nice. The view's really cool as well. It's nice to sit there. There's actually nobody up here, so there's an upstairs bit and a downstairs part. But yeah, there's nobody up here at all. Yeah, it's dog friendly here as well. There's a really cute cockapoo downstairs. Raquel got this homemade Mars Rice Krispie cake, which looks really nice.